Hello dear, this is day 27. Let me give you some description about my tractor. It is a Swaraj 735 FE 39 horsepower tractor, 2009 model, one of the prominent tractor of that time, and still as good and working good as a new tractor. And it consumes 3 liter per hour of diesel while working in farm or like ploughing and sowing seeds, etc. in this kind of works. And it is very economical for small farmers like us, like me, and do not consume much diesel, also do not require so much servicing. So it is a best choice if anyone wants to buy. But nowadays new upgradation have been available in it.